In this video, I'm going to talk about the HuggingFace platform. HuggingFace is a community like GitHub, but for AI developers. Their most notable product is the Transformers library. These libraries provide many different functionalities like text classification, translation, and question answering. There are also a lot of user-contributed models that can be used for image, video, and sound generation. HuggingFace is an open source platform, meaning that developers from all around the world can contribute to these models and datasets, and they can improve upon all these new AI technologies that are available now. With this approach, HuggingFace is lowering the barrier for entry for developing intelligent applications. So there are three different components in HuggingFace which are distinct but also interconnected. So we have models, we have datasets, and we have spaces. Let's have a look at models. So these models are pre-trained machine learning and large language models, which users can clone into their own workspace, and they can customize it or even improve upon it. There's also a repository of datasets which is used for training and evaluating the models. Users can also contribute and add their own datasets to the platform. And we have spaces, which are relatively newer addition to the HuggingFace platform. Using spaces, users can create, share, and explore interactive web applications. These spaces provide the capability to interact real time with the models that are available on HuggingFace. And similar to the models, you can clone each of these spaces and customize or improve it however you want. Creating a workspace on HuggingFace is pretty easy. So you just have to create sign up, and then with an email and setting a password, we can create an account. So this is how my workspace looks like. I can go to my profile and I can see all the spaces, models, and datasets that I have. So here I don't have any models or datasets, but there are a few spaces that I've been playing around. Actually, this FAQ chatbot is the application that I'm going to demo for you in this course. So right now, this space is sleep because all of these spaces and all of the models are using actual hardware. So when we're not using them, they go to sleep to save costs both on HuggingFace side and on our own side. In each of the spaces, we have the ability to check out the files. So this is the repository of the space, and we can modify and customize each of these spaces by editing the code inside the app.py file. There's also a community feature. In this community feature, we can create new discussions and interact with other developers. We can learn from them, and we can also help our fellow developers. And we can also access the setting for our space. And here we have the option to improve the hardware we're using. We have a selection of different CPUs and GPUs, and we can also set how much storage we want to use for our space. There are also more settings like restarting the space or changing its visibility from private to public or the other way around. We can also set different variables like different APIs, which we will discuss in the future videos in this lesson. So in conclusion, in this video, we introduced the HuggingFace platform to you, and we talked about the importance of open source in rapid development of AI applications. And we also covered some components of HuggingFace, which are models, datasets, and spaces.